Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Welcome to another chapter in our Lean ISO 9001 saga. This video discusses element 853, property belonging to customers or external providers. This clause consists of 3 short paragraphs and a note at the end defining property belonging to customers or external providers. To address this element, I suggest starting from the note to identify the boundaries of the clause. The note defines what property belonging to customers or external providers may be. Some of these are obvious, some not, which we will explore. Materials and components. In some cases, customers provide their materials and components for incorporation into their products. This practice is widely used in printed circuit board (PCB) manufacturing. Tools and equipment. We are not talking here about screwdrivers or pliers. Some products and operations require special machinery and test equipment, which customers provide to the manufacturer. Another example of such assets is molds. When a customer develops molding tools, they are often owned by the customer. Premises. This is not a typical scenario, but if a customer provides space to perform your work, you are responsible for such a facility. Lease agreements or contracts typically regulate such arrangements. Intellectual property and personal data. These may include drawings, product technical documentation, software, and confidential information, such as logins and other system access credentials. Standard stops its requirements on personal data. However, confidential data is another type of information that is critical for consideration and protection. Let's say you process medical claims for a hospital. You must access the patient's medical records by the nature of your business. This adds another layer of security that needs to be addressed in your business and management systems. Exercise care with property belonging to customers or external providers. As a rule, companies address this requirement simply by following their material handling procedures. Protect through shipping and handling. Do not leave stuff under the rain or snow. Place sensitive parts in the ESD bags, etc. Identify, verify, protect, and safeguard customers or external providers' property. Verification and identification processes for externally owned property typically follow the same processes as for the company's assets. When you receive any property, you register it in your ERP or other system and assign appropriate identification. One of my customers' businesses is storing and distributing consumer goods. Their provider quality agreement calls for periodic inventory cycle counts with strict KPIs to ensure property protection. Lost, damaged, or otherwise found unusable property. This one is easy. Most companies I work with use non-conformity systems to document and report errors and document customer disposition where required. The last requirement is to retain documented information on what has occurred. Per the standard, these include evidence of verification and preservation, non-conformity reports and evidence of customer concessions. When auditing external parties' property systems, I often see a typical deficiency. The companies do not maintain email records of customer communications. Consider this while brushing up your system for property belonging to customers or external providers. Let's summarize our discussion today. Identify all property you use from the customers or external providers. Implement a process for protecting property that does not belong to you. Develop a process for identifying, verifying, and protecting external parties' property. Use a non-conformity process for reporting lost, damaged, or otherwise unusable property. And retain documented information on communications related to these issues. If you wish to learn more about Lean ISO management systems, take our fun and educational online course, Lean Procedures Explained. This is all for today, folks. As always, check our free downloads. Do not hesitate to contact me if you need assistance implementing your Lean management system. My contact info is below. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. While you do this, I will start working on my next video. I hope to see you then.